Hey guys, this is the first bit of sun that we've had out here, and I figured I'm gonna go out here to the RV. Remember in my last video, we were draining the poop. It had a little leak in the septic lines. That's possible.
Yep.
Turn it off!
Quit playing with the hose.
Anyway, I'm gonna get to the bottom of that and see if I can figure out what's going on. So anyway, I'm just gonna take the bag up to the porch, and luckily I keep everything for the sewage in this one bag. So anyway, we'll run it up here to the porch and see if there's a seal or something that came out of it. Hopefully it's something that easy. As always, when you mess it with the poo-poo hose, you use the poo-poo gloves. So anyway, got the bag here, and I'm just gonna pull this thing out of here. Yeah, it looks like maybe there's a black seal or something that usually seats in that groove. So I'm gonna see if maybe it fell out in the bag, and I'll know to look for that in the future. So let's see what we got. That's the poo-pooey end. This other hose I hadn't used as much, so maybe that'll shed some answers. Nope, that's not the right end. You know, a lot of the time you have two of these hose, a couple of them, in case it's a longer trip to the septic clean out. Yep, just as I thought. You see that black seal? Yep, that's what came out. So anyway, that's good. At least I know what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, I may have dropped that at a campsite somewhere. I didn't really think that thing would come out. I never really planned on that. So it looks like I need to buy another seal. Good thing is, for in the meantime, what I'm going to do, the hose I have been using, since I don't have the seal, I'm going to take it off of this one. And this hose is set up exactly like that one. So for now, I'm going to put this connector on the end of this hose, put the one that doesn't have the seal in it in the bottom of the bag, and that way the top one that I'm taking out has a seal, and then I shouldn't have any more of that leak. And in the meantime, I'll jump on Amazon, and if I find the seal on there, I'll put a link in this description. So guys, I wanted to kind of run this past you. You know, sometimes as guys, we can tend to get in there and, you know, we want to be the fixers, and, you know, something's wrong and we're trying to think, okay, how can we fix this and keep this from happening and everything. And it's real important to listen to your wives, you know, your spouse, when they're doing that. You know, sometimes they come up with the simplest thing, and that's actually what the problem was. You'll remember in my video, we had the poop leaking out of everything in the RV hose. And I'm sitting there thinking, what's going on with this thing, man? Has this thing got a broken tab? And what's going to, you know, my wife was filming me and said, I wonder if a seal fell out of it.
Looks like it might be time for a new hose or some sort of new washer, rubber washer or something.
Maybe there's a washer, because I always just wind this thing up, put it in the back. Maybe there is a washer that goes inside of it. And that was the problem. So as you'll see in this video, you know, always be taking the time to listen, because what my wife said was actually what the problem was. All right, there we go, ready to put back in there. That way, if for some reason we do decide to do a camping trip, you know, we're prepared for the hose. You know, if we go to some place where they have a dump station. I do still need to get the thing in case we're at a campsite with full hookup, and it's a good little distance for the, you know, septic clean out. But in the case of a dump station or something, I'm still set up if we decide to take a trip. So hey, the good news is they did have the seals on Amazon. And I did get those ordered, and they should be here tomorrow. So we'll be equipped with the new seals and should be good to go. Hey guys, as always, thank you for watching. We appreciate you guys. Hey, please take a second, click on the like, subscribe, comment, leave me any comments, and share with your friends. And be sure to follow some of the playlists down at the bottom. Go in and check out some of the other things on the site. We got a lot of stuff on there. You may find it interesting. We cover a lot of different topics. Once again, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.